Alright, here's a look from the air. You can see our machines. That'll give you an idea how big this area is. So we're going to make a clearing kind of straight north right now with the machines. And then we're going to open it up a little in the woods there. We're going to try and tuck it, a little bit back off the road, because right here you can see that's our road right there. I got my original path here. I'm going to just grab this cedar as we're separating them and work my way out with it. Try to grab it down here by the root ball though. Oh, that's a double. Oh, I feel like I can see the light here now.
Come on now.
Why ain't it full yet? Alright, let's take a quick look here where we're at now. Mobile home was up here on the left.